Everyone wants to build a SaaS company until they realize it's not about code, it's about execution. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to go from an idea to $1 million a year SaaS business. No investors, no fluff, just strategy, blood, sweat, and tears. This is the same process I've used to launch successful tech companies from scratch, and I'm going to walk you through step by step. My name is Devin Johnson. I've built, sold, scaled, and failed multiple businesses. Today, I'm the CEO of salesai.com. I like to bring you real-world business advice to help you build your business and continue down the path. And I wish I knew these key tips as I was building my businesses. Step one, identify a pain that you can monetize. This is where 90% of SaaS founders go wrong. They start with an idea, not a problem. A real SaaS success comes from identifying a pain point that you can monetize. And ideally, one that you've personally experienced. Some of the best products I've built are because I was one struggling with the problem. Take Connected. We had a marketing agency that needed more leads. Cold outreach on LinkedIn was slow, clunky, and inconsistent. So we built a solution to automate the process. That tool became Connected, and it worked because it solved our own problem first. Or Sales AI. We saw thousands of our clients collecting leads while only working 20 to 30% of them. That was a massive gap in execution. Sales AI was built to automate follow-up and maximize pipeline coverage without a human being needed. So here's the formula. Go to where you already have credibility. That could be your industry, your network, or a space you've already been passionate about. Look for high friction tasks. Where are people burning time, using spreadsheets, or relying on humans for stuff that tech could handle? Target underserved markets. A lot of industries like banking are still stuck in the stone age of how to do business. Ask yourself, what are people already paying to solve? Are they paying people to do it manually? That's your sign tech can win. All great SaaS starts with this question. What's a job a human is doing that software could do it better? Step number 2, validate before you build. Before you touch a single line of code, validate your idea. Too many people build first, then try to find users. You need to flip that thinking. Build a basic landing page, run a few ads, do direct outreach to the audience you think you can serve, pitch the solution as if it already exists, and see if people raise their hands. We've done this with every single product that we've launched. We've sold the outcome before the product even existed. Your goal is to get at least 10 people to say yes with money or strong verbal commitment. Even better, charge for early access. Position it as a beta or alpha access. Let them feel like they're a part of building it. And here's a powerful tip. Turn those early customers into a customer committee. Let them guide the product. Let them share their problems so you can shape the solution. That real world feedback is priceless, and it creates momentum before you even build the real MVP. Step number 3, build a minimal viable product, or MVP. Now and only now do you build, but you're not building everything. You're building an MVP, something that solves one problem really well. Don't fall into the trap of feature dumps. Strip it down. Use tools like Bubble, Software, Webflow, no-code platforms to help you get a working version into the world fast. Only bring in developers once you have a crystal clear direction. I've made this mistake early on. Hire developments too soon, wasted money. Developers can't read your mind. Get clarity first, then product. When you do hire, look at cost-efficient regions like India, Ukraine, Argentina. Freelancers can help you scale lean. Your goal is not perfection, it's function. Solve the problem and deliver the outcome. Step number 4, get your first 100 users. This is where most people hesitate. They think traction comes to them. No, you have to do the unscalable things first every single day. Cold emails, direct messages, phone calls. Show up in every department of your business: sales, support, marketing, product. Send the 100 emails a day, 100 DMs, and make the 100 calls. Live in the trenches. That is how you're going to build your first 100 users. Also, leverage your personal brand. Post on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. Doesn't matter if you have 1 follower or 10,000 followers. Share case studies, results, and progress. It doesn't matter. Document what you're doing. Start a blog. Get SEO going. Build your digital footprint early. And when users come in, over-deliver. Retention is earned. Technology needs the human element. Teach people how to use it. Guide them. Early customers didn't care how pretty your software was. They cared if it actually worked. Make it pretty later. Get results now. Step number 5, build in a feedback loop. Now that people are actually using your product, talk to them every single week, month, bi-weekly, doesn't matter. Get it on the schedule. Talk to your early customer. Ask what they like, what they don't, and what's breaking. Use tools like Intercom or Typeform to collect feedback inside your app. Never be the founder who hides from the users. It is 25 times more expensive to get a new customer than to keep one. Build a community and make your users feel like they're co-creators. Prioritize retention features over vanity features. That's what keeps your revenue growing. And step number 6, nail the go-to-market strategy. It's time to grow. Pick one channel and dominate it. Paid ads, organic content, outbound sales. Choose the lane that fits your audience and master it. Too many people try everything. Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and spread you thin. But here's my rule. One product, one channel, one outcome until you've hit 1 million in sales. You also need to track 2 key metrics when you start this. CAC, customer acquisition cost, and lifetime value, even though rough estimates matter. If you spend 1,000 and make 5,000, that's a 5x return. That is absolutely solid. Aim for a 3 to 5x CAC to LTV to stay profitable and make sure your positioning is clear. What problem do you solve? Why are you the best solution? And speak to the right customer. You cannot serve everyone. Step number 7, scale what works. Now we scale. Add systems, sales processes, onboarding, customer support. Your first hire, get help with operations, an assistant or project manager who can take tasks off your plate. Then start tracking the real SaaS metrics: MRR, monthly recurring revenue, churn, CAC, customer acquisition cost, lifetime value, LTV. My 2 favorites are CAC and LTV. If CAC rises and LTV drops, you're likely to have a product or retention problem. And remember, scale what's already working. Don't go wide, go deep. If you're serious about building a SaaS company, don't start with developers, start with a real problem, solve it manually, then scale it with software. If you want me to break down any of these steps in detail, drop a comment. I'll turn it into a full series. Let's build something real. Let's go.